Today I wanted to talk about a product from Safe Meat. In fact, I'm just getting ready to go to the job site, and so I had to get my face mask, and I thought to myself, I better talk to you guys a little bit about some of the great features about this product. For one thing, it's washable and reusable. Why don't I open it up here and show you what it looks like. So it comes with 3 individual masks, right? It's a cotton and polyester blend, so it's super comfortable. It comes with 3 filters that you insert in the mask. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. And then once you wash, you take these out, you wash these, and you put in a new filter, and off you go to the races. But some of the really good things that I like about this is this band here, this comfort band that goes around the back of your neck. Again, I'm going to show you in just a second. It takes the pressure off your ears, and you can also hang it when you're not using it. Because you don't always need to be wearing it, right? Except for when you're around people. So let me show you how this slips in. And take out this filter. Right? This is a Safe Mate filter. And it just slides into this hole. Let me show you in the camera here. It just slides inside. Just like this. And you resituate it. Slide it into where it's supposed to go, just like that. Now you're breathing through a filter. So then you take this, you have your nose section up here. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay. Just like that. It stretches. I have a pretty big face, pretty big head, right? So it fits super comfortable. Really, really comfortable. I hope you can hear me properly through this. But when you're wearing ear protection, so like when you're wearing ear protection or anything like that, and you got to put it over your ears while it knocks the string off, it can become a pretty big hassle. That's why I like this so much. Let me show you. So this goes on nice and tight. You're breathing through a filter. Take your headphones, and off you go. It's not going to fall. And when you need it, when you need to take it off, or when you're by yourself, just lower it like this, and there you go. A really, really cool product from Safe Mate, washable and reusable face masks. Super important to have it, especially in these times. Make sure if you don't have